Hi there. Now I'm guessing you're here because you want to get rid of your toenail fungus. So let me give you a solution that covers 99.9% of known causes, as opposed to most solutions that just target 50% of the problem. Your nail problem could well be caused by fungus. This is very common, and it's what most solutions are focused on. However, fungus only accounts for 50% of these problems. Bacteria and viruses make up the vast majority of that remaining 50%. So if you're using fungal nail treatments and you're tired of not seeing results, let me present to you a solution that actually works. This solution kills 99.9% of fungus, bacteria, and viruses in toenails. It has hundreds of glowing customer reviews and almost 500,000 worldwide sales. So take the guesswork out of your healthcare. You shouldn't be basing this decision on odds that are literally 50-50, the flip of a coin. Come on, conquer this problem once and for all, along with hundreds of thousands of other happy customers, and click the link below.